there guys, it's Kim George here with a quick video tutorial to show you how to DIY a business logo, a professional looking business logo with one of my favorite DIY tools, which is called PlaceIT.com. So wanted to walk you guys through to show you how easy it is to make a really professional standout logo in under 5 or 10 minutes using the PlaceIT Logo Maker. So let's go ahead and dive off into this video tutorial. So the first things first is once you land on the site, and there is a link below to the site, guys, just so you're aware, I am an affiliate for this program. I do think it's really helpful though for solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, and folks that want a professional looking logo without an expensive price tag attached to it. So once you land to the site and you click on the link, what you're going to do under the section that says let's make a logo is to type in your brand name. Okay, so for me it's going to be Your Chic Geek. So then what you do is you're going to click next. Now what it's going to do in the PlaceIT Logo Maker is it's going to ask you to pick an industry. Now if you want to, you can go ahead and sift through all of the different industries that they have. So for example, if you have if you're an architect and you want an architect based design for a logo, then you can click on that. If you're in arts and crafts, they have designs and templates that are close to, that are for arts and crafts type of business, car wash, clothing brand, event planner, you name it, they have all kinds of stuff in here. They even have gaming. There's a huge section for gaming and so on and so forth. So you can definitely take your time and go through these to see which, based on the type of business that you're running, to find the appropriate industry for your business. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and click on logos all, and then I'm going to go ahead and click let's go. Okay, so this is a tool that is ran by AI, which is artificial intelligence, and it essentially is going to pop up all kinds of different logo designs because I selected all. And so as you can see, the logos are generated and I have all types of options to choose from based on the different designs that they have. Okay, and there's a lot of cool things there. There's this one that's just really cool. There's this one, a lot of different stuff in here, guys, a lot of different templates, and a lot of them look really, really great. They do. I think this is very unique. Okay, so just a lot of different logo designs going on here. Okay, all right, so what you can do is you can sift through these and kind of find something that speaks to you, or you can kind of go back and select a more an industry-based type of logo. So for me, I'm in like the blogging kind of the blogging niche, and so I would probably go for something like I would probably do a more abstract type of design. So I'm going to go ahead and click abstract logo and just see what kind of designs pop up under the abstract logo designer. Okay, and they have some pretty cool things that are popping up here that I could potentially select, okay, to use for a logo design. Now, another thing that I do love about this design tool is that, like for this instance, this one looks really, really cute. I like that. Another thing that I do like about this logo designer is this, for example, if you wanted to go with like an abstract design, what you can do is you can go over here to the side and then you can click to choose a graphic, and then you can also search for other graphics, that you may want to apply to your logo that closely relates to the type of business that you're running. So for Your Chic Geek, maybe I can do glasses if they had anything for that, or maybe I can do let's see, uh, geek. Let's see if they have anything there. I don't know if they have anything geeky. No. See, sunglasses. See if they have anything in here. So maybe I would do something like with sunglasses or something kind of like this. And I think that really kind of speaks to the kind of brand that I run, because my brand is kind of fun. It's it's an empowerment brand. It's a cool kind of brand. It's just kind of my personality too. So if I wanted to use one of these, then I could essentially just click something like this icon, okay? And then as you can see, it's going to start applying this icon to these different logo designs that you can see here. So actually this one is pretty cool. So it's going to start popping up with that graphic on the different logos. And I think this is actually really cute, right? with this. I like this. Okay. All right. And so whenever you find a logo design that you really like, this one is cute as well. Oh gosh, they have a lot of cute ones. I like this one too. Oh my goodness. They have a lot. I like these. This is really cute. So once you find a template that you really like according to, your brand, what you'll do is, for example, if I wanted to use this logo design, what I can do is click on this template. And what I love about this, guys, is that I can actually come in here and I can start applying my brand's colors to this specific design because I already know that these are not the colors that I use in my brand. Okay. So what you would want to do is you're going to click on, for example, I'm going to click on this icon, and instead of using this pink color, I'm going to change this to the color that I know that I have in my brand. So I'm going to do more. And then what you want to do is make sure that you have your hexadecimal color code handy to apply it to the specific logo design. So I'm going to do my color. Okay. And then I'm going to click choose, and then it's going to change that color from the pink to my color code. Okay. And so your Chic Geek, it's not really key, but what I can do here is I can do this. I can take this out and I can do your chic. Okay. And I can make this a little bit bigger. Okay. And you can actually resize this down if you need to a little bit, all that kinds of stuff to kind of make it the way that you want. And then instead of key, this is going to be geek. Okay. All right. So that's that. And then I can actually drag this up here a little bit. This is where my slogan goes. And the slogan, the color of the slogan is actually wrong too. So what I can do is come over here where it says slogan goes here, is I can click on this, and again, I'm going to click more. And this is where I'm going to add another one of the color codes that I have in my color palette for my brand to this section. Okay. So I think this one is, I think that's correct. I think that's right. Yep, that is correct. Okay. And so I'm going to go ahead and click choose. Okay. Because that's the color that I want to use. And then that's that. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is under the section that says slogan here, I can just do something like tech and biz tips or something like that. Just to kind of put a little something there. That's not really the slogan, but that's kind of what I want to put there. Okay. And that's it. And honestly, I think this is a cute little logo for my business. It's something that I would, feel really good about showing off. I would actually make this just a tad bit smaller to kind of come underneath here. Okay. And let's see, I could bring this down. Yeah, and I like that. I think that's super cute. I think it's super fun. It's cute. And it's really simple because I'm a simple girl. So once you're done with making the changes to your logo's design and you're happy with it, then what you can do is you're going to come over to where it says download. Okay. And then it's going to give you a couple of options. You have the option to do a single logo purchase, which is only $39.95. Or you can do a monthly subscription to get access, as you can see, to all of the templates. A monthly subscription is only going to run you $14.95 per month, which is really affordable. And so you just kind of pick which option you want to go to. As you can see under the subscription service, you can cancel at any time, etc. and etc. And then again, you have the one-time single logo purchase that you can also get. And then again, if you're not satisfied with this and you don't like this logo design, then what you can do is you can go back to some of the designs and you can kind of start over until you find something that really speaks to your brand. Okay, so these are some of the YouTube type logos that they have here. They have some really cool ones in here. I mean, I really like these. I think these kind of logos are really, really, really nice, with the cartoons and things like that. And so, guys, I'll just say there's something for everyone. It doesn't matter what industry you're in. There's all kind of logo templates here like this. This is super cute. Look at that. This is called the Blackfish Clothing Store. That's really cute. This is cute. There's a lot of great stuff in here. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to run you guys through and introduce you to this logo designer. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and I hope to see you guys in some more in some of the comments for the other videos that I do have coming up. And again, take care of yourselves out there. Be safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one. Okay. Cheers. Bye.